Good evening, Bulldogs. So right now, taking a live look out of our campus cam, we can start to see the beginning of sunset right now. That temperature is 78 degrees, but we do have the winds coming out of the north at about 13 miles per hour. If we look at our satellite and radar, we can see that cloud coverage is starting to make its way on out of here. We're seeing those break in the clouds here. We did have some rain move through this morning. We do have a chance of seeing some rain forming up towards the state line in Mississippi, Tennessee, and Alabama. So most of this rain is probably going to stay to our north in those upper 60s. Now, if you're planning on staying in Starkville tomorrow, we have another warm day in store. We'll be sitting in those lower 80s now, and then once that cold front moves through, bringing in those line of showers and storms for your Tuesday morning at 6 a.m. So like I said, you're going to need that jacket if you're heading out the door. Starting off at kickoff, we'll be sitting in those upper 70s. We'll be seeing a mixture of sun and clouds, and that'll be the same story going into halftime. But today, we're going to warm up into those mid to upper 50s. So Starkville, we are going to warm up to 57. In Winona, we're going to be reaching that 60-degree mark. And the reason why it's called black ice is because it's transparency. It blends in with the pavement. Well, good Sunday morning, everyone. Taking a live look at our campus cam here in Starkville, we're seeing plenty of sunshine right now. We're sitting at 44 degrees here with a north wind of about 8 miles per hour. So it is just a tad bit gusty outside right now. Now, looking at our satellite and radar, we can see that this cold front moved through overnight and this morning, leaving us with some chillier temperatures than what we saw yesterday. But other than that, and just in the few stray clouds or two, we're seeing plenty of sunshine, like I said. Now, our current temperatures across the area, we're sitting in those lower 40s up to the mid 40s, so 45 down here in Macon and 41 up here in Fulton. So we are seeing just a tad bit of a range in those temperatures right now. But today, we're going to warm up into those mid to upper 50s. So Starkville, we are going to warm up to 57. In Winona, we're going to be reaching that 60-degree mark. So we are going to warm up just a tad, but not as hot as what we were, not as warm as what we were yesterday. So looking at our forecasted highs for the next several days, we can see that today our high here in Starkville is only going to get up to that 57, but we're going to warm back up into those lower 70s by for your Tuesday. And then once that cold front comes through, we're going to dip back down into those 50s, mid 50s here for your Thursday, and we're going to slowly warm back up. So we do have a little bit of that roller coaster effect in our temperatures for the next several days. Now, looking at our threats for Tuesday, we do have a level 3 out of 5 for parts of our viewer area, and then a level 2 out of 5 for the rest and most of our area. And so we're really going to be seeing some strong storms. We do have tornadoes possible, and maybe a few strong tornadoes in this level 3 out of 5 area ahead of this squall line that's going to move through. Some gusty winds and lots of rain, so definitely make sure you're keeping an eye out for your Tuesdays. So tracking that out for you. Starting off Monday afternoon into the evening hours, we're really just seeing lots of cloud cover, and we do have this warm front that's going to be ejecting itself upward ahead of this cold front and rain that's going to be moving its way on through. So Tuesday at 11 a.m. we can see this squall line here starting to form along with this cold front, and that's slowly going to be moving into our area here at 5 p.m. We can see that it's currently affecting most of our area, bringing that heavy rain and strong winds along with it. Now, once this cold front moves through, we're going to be seeing just no cloud cover, just clear skies as we go into Wednesday morning. But then on that back end of it, we're going to see some clouds to sort of creep back into the area for your Wednesday morning here at 10 a.m. So how much rain are we expected to get with this for the next 3 days? We're going to see anywhere from about an inch upwards to 1.25 inches of rain. So we are going to see just a little bit of our good amounts of rain that we do need. Now, looking at our 7-day forecast, we can see today we do have a softball game here in Starkville, and it's going to be a good day. It is going to be a little chilly. May need that jacket if you're heading out to the game. Tuesday, that's when we're going to be seeing our chance of seeing some strong to severe storms with that 70% chance of rain, and then we're going to be warming up to those 70s, and then the rest of your week going into next weekend, we're going to be sitting in those 60s.